Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about what are the things I got after buying the Infinix 60 Pro. Okay, so fresh from the box. First of all, I got a World Cup tumbler. Okay, and then I got a Infinix X Watch H5 Pro. Okay, these are all the free gifts, and then this is a Tech Life X70 earbud. Okay, and then this is the I bought the special edition. Okay, this is Pininfarina version of the Infinix 60 Pro, and also they gave me a 10,000 mAh power bank. Okay, so all this is the free gifts. 1 2 3 4 free gifts, and if you can see guys, the price is altogether 1758. I'm not sure you can see or not, but it's 1758 all in guys, all in. Okay, and I've also put in the screen protector for the phone. Okay, so next thing is let's unbox guys. Okay, let's unbox everything. So you can see this is the box for Infinix Pininfarina by design. Okay, I've already removed the phone, so you can see here this is the phone here. It's black in color. Okay, I've already put on the case. I just want to show you all what's in the box. Okay guys, so if you see here, how do you open this? Okay, still. Okay, so I have to bring it out. I mean, the unboxing was really beautiful. I did it in the shop, so I'll just show to you all again. Just have to just look at that. It opens like that. Very good presentation, but this is the special edition version. Okay, so usually when you open it, so you have this Infinix, and then the Infinix casing, and here there will be the phone. So I have already removed the casing also. So it's already, this casing comes in the box. So I'm using it originally. Okay, so that's the top part. Okay, and it's for Infinix. Then I'm going to close it. Oh, how to open it to open down, is it? Okay, then when you open it, there's a drawer down here. Yep, so you see this drawer down here. Okay, it comes with a magnetic charger guys. So the normal charger is 90 watts. I'm not sure this, I think the magnetic charger is about 50 watts good. Okay, you can see comes a magnetic charger. Okay, what is this? This is the cable. Don't tell me there's no plug. Oh yeah, oh, 100 watts. So it's a 100 watts charger with the cable, or you can use the cable and attach it to the magnetic bar here to charge. So all in one set guys, 1700. I mean, it's a very good deal. Okay, let me just put all back. I mean, it's I just know I have no heart to use this. It looks so beautiful. Okay, put it back like that. Okay, look at the box. Okay, so let me just give you all who should buy this Infinix Note 60 Pro. So this phone is suitable for people who use their devices throughout the day and need a large 6500 mAh battery. Okay, I've already been using this phone. I think it takes at least, I mean, for me it's 1 or 1.5 days for the battery to finish. Okay, it may suit users who regularly watch YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, because it's 1.5K 144 Hz display guys. Okay, 1.5K 144 Hz display. The display is really beautiful. Okay, it comes with a Snapdragon processor and high refresh rate display, make it suitable for casual and moderate gaming. Okay, the camera battery and charging speed may also appeal to beginners and content creators. So this camera, as far as I use for normal video shootouts, not very high resolution and all, it's very cool guys. Okay, for content creation and social media, I think it's okay. Okay, it's aimed at buyers who want many premium style specification without paying flagship price. So you get MagSafe charging, you get the cases, Okay, and if you buy this Pininfarina version, you get this black color. Okay, let me just open the case to show you all. And it's black color with like one kind of red color silver lining. Okay, this one looks really stylish, guys. Okay, guys, so which type of user are you? So if you are a gamer, yes. Content creator, I would say okay. Okay, working professional or normal daily user. So if you are a gamer, a working professional or a normal daily user, this is superb. But if you're going to use this for content creation fully, okay, like taking YouTube videos and all, then I'm not, the camera might not be up to like other smartphones. Maybe if you top up a bit, you can get Honor 400 Pro for about 2000 plus, but this is 1750, guys, and you can take the base model is only 1004 P60 Pro, not special edition. Okay, so if you all want to see me connecting my watch to the phone, please subscribe and like my videos and leave a comment. Will you buy this phone, guys? Thank you, guys.